Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. In this video we are going to solve this question. This question was asked in BHU Geophysics Entrance Exam 2015. So before approaching the question, I want to discuss some error present in the question. Look, the question is, a medium is characterized by sigma equals to mu equals to mu 0 and epsilon equals to epsilon 0, and electric field of an EM wave is given by E vector equals to 20 sine 10 to the power 8 t plus 2 by 3 z a cap y volt per meter. Calculate H vector. So if you have solved this question and considering k as 2 by 3, here I am using this term k, as we can generalize this equation as a sine omega t plus kz. So here k equals to 2 by 3, but it is wrong. Here 2 by 3, if you consider k equals to 2 by 3 and solve this question, the answer won't match with the options given. So I will consider it k equals to 1 by 3. I will explain later on why it is considered k, why I have considered it k equals to 1 by 3, not 2 by 3. So I will approach the question with k equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Now from Maxwell's equation, we know del cross E equals to minus del B by del T. Now if you look in this equation, E vector equals to 20 sine omega t kz a cap y. So the picture will be like this. Since here E vector is a function of z and t, so we can conclude that the wave is proceeding along z direction. So it will be our z direction, and electric field vibration is along y axis. So I am giving x y, and this is our x. So electric field will be like this. The vibration is along y axis and the wave is proceeding along z axis. Therefore since it has mentioned here a cap y, you can either write it like this, or you can mention like ey 20 sine 10 to the power 8 t plus 1 by 3 z. Now the wave is proceeding along z direction, electric field vibration is along y direction. Therefore we are left with B vector or magnetic field vector. It will be along x direction, like this. So the wave is proceeding along z direction, electric field vibrations are along y direction, and B vector is along x direction. So this is the vibration due to B vector. Okay. Now we have to find B vector, and from B vector we will calculate H vector. From Maxwell's equation we know this formula. Now we will find curl of E vector. So del cross E vector equals to I cap, j cap, k cap, del x, del y, del z. Here E vector, since E vector is along y direction, so we can consider Ex and Ez equals to 0. So here 0, here we will put Ey, and here we will put 0. Now I cap del y 0 and del z of, therefore it will be 0 minus del z of Ey minus j cap del x of 0, and it will be also 0. Further, k cap equals to del x of ey, del x of ey minus del y of 0, so it will be simply 0. Now ey is a function of z and t. Ey is a function of z and t. So this del x of ey will be 0, but it will remain. Del z of ey will remain. So we will put I cap del z of ey. Now we are putting this value 20 sine 10 to the power 8t plus 1 by 3 z. If we calculate, it will be 20 by 3 cos 10 to the power 8t 1 by 3 z I cap. Now del vector cross E vector equals to minus del V vector del T del B by del T, or del T by of B. Now we know that B vector equals to mu H vector. Okay, so it is mu H vector, B vector equals to mu H vector. Here mu equals to mu 0, therefore if we avoid this vector sign, then we can simply write B equals to mu 0 H. So putting this value in this, minus 20 by 3 cos 10 to the power 8t 1 by 3 z equals to, if we here put del b del t, therefore it will become mu 0 del h del t. Here is a minus sign, therefore we can write mu 0 del h del t. It will cut from both sides. Now we are left with this. Mu 0 cos 10 to the power 8t by 1 by 3 z dt equals to, it will equals to h. Therefore h equals to 20 by 3 into 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, and if we integrate this, we will left with sine 10 to the power 8t plus 1 by 3 z and divided by 10 to the power 8. Therefore h will be 5. Now if we here multiply 10 to the power minus 1 extra, then we have to multiply 10 extra. 5 2s are 10, and this 10 to the power minus 7 minus 1 goes to 10 to the power minus 8 and 10 to the power minus 8. It will eliminate each other. Therefore we are left with 1 by 6 pi sine 10 to the power 8t plus 1 by 3 z, and it will be, if we use vector sign, it will be along x direction. So we can here a cap is mentioned, so So I am writing like this, a cap x, so it will be in, the vibration will be in x direction. Now I am going to discuss why I have taken k as 1 by 3 not 2 by 3, and if you have solved this taking k equals to 2 by 3, then the answer won't match with the options given. Therefore if you have taken k equals to 2 by 3, then here 6 pi won't come, here will be 1 by 3 pi. Okay, 1 by 3 pi will come. So I am here I am now explaining why is it so. Here if we compare this equation with this equation, general equation, E vector equals to a sin omega t plus kz, here omega equals to therefore became 10 to the power 8 and k becomes 2 by 3. Now k by omega or omega by k, omega by k equals to, now omega can be represented as 2 pi nu when nu is the frequency, and k can be k, since k is a wave vector, so it can be written as or wave number, it can be written as 2 pi by lambda. Now 2 pi eliminates and we are left with nu lambda. Now nu lambda equals to c. Okay, nu lambda equals to velocity of the electromagnetic wave, and we know that for electromagnetic wave velocity is c. Now we will check this. If we calculate this, c is not, we are not getting c. Okay, omega by k equals to 10 to the power 8 2 by 3, so it will become 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 2, but it can't be a velocity of electromagnetic wave. So the answer so the question is there is a minor error in the question. The k will be 1 by 3 not 2 by 3. Hope you will all like the video. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.